Many public sector organizations are still using manual, paper-based processes to issue licenses and permits. These manual processes are slow, error-prone, and don't meet citizen expectations, resulting in less revenue for the organization and a frustrating experience for applicants. Unlike the existing licensing and permitting solutions on the market, the Nintex solution is flexible, easy to use, and affordable thanks to the powerful underlying Nintex platform. First, I'm going to show you the internal portal part of the solution. Within this portal, an internal operations team manager can manage the types of permits they want the solution to process for them. Through a simple wizard, they can configure which steps they want included in the process, the application form, and the final issued permit document. Let me take a moment to tell you how this works. Using Nintex Automation Cloud, we built an orchestrator that powers the solution and the steps within it. This makes it easy to turn process steps on and off, and optionally add more steps or customize the underlying workflows that power each step should customers require further customization beyond what's included in these settings. For each of these steps, I can configure all the information about, for example, the review step, who the reviewer should be, what the approval and reject labels are, and what the rejection reasons are. All of this is automatically used to generate the workflow that powers the solution underneath. The best part is that the end user never has to touch Nintex Automation Cloud, DocGen, or eSign. We configure all of that for them based on how they complete this wizard. I can configure the forms that the applicants will use when they apply for this new permanent type. I can also tag my documents with DocGen and eSign tags and upload it. And when I upload that Word document, it will get used to dynamically generate a permit at the end of the issuing process. I can also provide application guide content that will show in the applicant portal. In this internal portal, team members can complete any tasks that are assigned to them, see a dashboard of all the permit applications that are in progress, see lists of applications by permit type, as well as reports and insights for things such as submitted, issued, and denied applications by month, approval speed trends, revenue collected, and top denial reasons. These are all included in the out-of-the-box solution. Now I'm going to show you the applicant portal. Here's where I can see all the applications that I've already submitted, apply for new ones, see any tasks that are assigned to me, see payment information, information about the application process, and contact information. And then I can go and submit a new application. So today, I'm going to submit a new short-term rental application. Once I filled out my application information, I'm directed to Stripe, where I can pay my application fee. After I pay, I'm redirected back to the application portal where I can see that my application has been submitted and that it's in progress. Now back at the internal portal, I see that there is a review task that needs my attention. When I click on it, I can see all the application details that were submitted with that application, and I can either approve or deny that application. And this will advance the application to the next step in the workflow, which is the issuing of the permit document. Once that's done, it gets sent to the applicant for their e-signature. Once the process is complete, the final permit document is available for download within both the internal and applicant portals. As you can see here,